on casting on, getting stitches on your knitting machine so that you can knit. And the fastest, easiest, quickest way that we want to get stitches on our machine, it's not a nice permanent finish, but this is a quick get stitches on your machine used for waste yarn, tension swatches, trial runs of whatever. You're just getting some stitches on there. You set your carriage so that it is for plain knitting, stockinette knitting at whatever tension you think will be about right for the machine, for the yarn. And all your patterning things are off. No card engaged or anything like that. You thread your machine and you put down the weaving yarn, weaving brushes. Weaving brushes are lowered and everything is there. You arrange your needles so that alternate needles are in the normal knitting position and alternate needles are in the forward holding position, which is D or E depending on your machine. But your carriage is set so that needles in hold will knit. Now you take the beginning end of your yarn and you lay it over the needles in the holding position in front of the sinker posts. And you take your carriage and you knit across. Now, if you look closely at this, you will see that the yarn is looped over each needle, but the one that was laid across the needle, across the needles, runs through it and will not allow these to unravel. Now, carefully knit a few rows until you have enough that you would hang a weight on it, or until that it's going to knit fine, and then you can raise your weaving brushes. You don't need them anymore. And that gives you a cast on that's not a nice looking cast on, but it will stay.